Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn one-to-one relationship in the TypeORM. Those who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the configuration with the ORM. So we have already discussed this configuration, right? So the type, host, port, username, password, database, synchronization for creating the tables, logging. If you want to log the tables, you can log. Okay, and this is the entities directory, that is source entity. Okay, now create a source entity folder to store the user and the profile entities. Okay, so we are doing the one-to-one relationship, right? So let's open the code base. We have already discussed what exactly the one-to-one relationship is. Let me clarify one more time. So what is one-to-one relationship? We have, so one-to-one relationship links a single entity instance to the another single instance of a different entity. This is useful when each record in one table uniquely corresponds to a record in the another. For example, a user might have one unique profile. Each profile belongs to the only one user. Okay, so typically this relationship involves a foreign key in one of the tables pointing to the other one. Okay, let's take a look of that one. Okay, so first of all we are going to create the source entity with profile and user. Okay, so user.ts we have to create that one. Okay, so go to the code level. So user.ts we have already, so let me just, which are the extra fields we have, so let's copy this. Okay, so because we have the joins part, because we are setting up the relationship also, so there is error. What exactly, because profile is not created yet, so let me create that profile entity also. Profile.ts. So here let me create this one, profile.ts file, and have it scroll it out. Okay, and I think this will, let me just add the profile over there and it will hide right there. Okay, so in the user we have the relationship that is the one-to-one with profile. Define the one-to-one relationship with the profile entity. Okay, so this is that one. Join column, mark this side as owning side of the relationships. So here you can see, right? So we are joining the column with the profile. Okay, so this is how we have to define it. Now we have profile. So this is the profile with simple ID, bio and the website. Okay, so the linking is done via this, and the whatever the profile we have, it will link to this user. Let's have an example. Okay, so let's add this code to get all the insights into it. Okay, so index.ts file, let me update this. Oh, just comment this only. Let's add this. Okay, so here you can see, so here we have a create connection in the type ORM. I think it is depreciated, declaration of mass depreciated. Here creates a new connection registered, and we can use what, import create connection. Creates a new connection depreciated. What is the next one? We can use it. Okay, then connected where the database already there, right? And create a new profile, bio, website, save the profile. Okay, create the new user instance associated with the profile. When we create the user, okay, so in the user dot profile we are sending all the profile. Okay, let's see how it works, and then save the user with the instance associated with the user, and then profile saved. Okay, let's save this. Let me clean, I think we are in the Postgres, right? So let me open the Postgres pgadmin. Okay, if we have a test server, we have a REST API. We have the users. Let me drop this column, delete. Okay, let's run this. Node index.js. The index or what? Index we have index.ts. I'm not in the right directory. My node project. Cannot find the module. This node version. I think I somewhere the wrong file might be. Let me check where it is. Node.js, my node project. My node project. Yes, then what will happen? Okay, this is a TypeScript, right? I just forgot. npm run, which command we have in the packet.json file. Okay, so we have in node dist index, source index, npm run dev. Okay, because I worked always in the Node.js project, so I just forgot, right? So connected with the database, right? The user with the profile saved. So and the profile we have this one. Okay, let's have a look how the structure maintained in the database. Just refresh it. We have a profile. Okay, so let's see this data. Okay, here we have the profile, right? ID, bio, and this is already different one. The table it is no linking, but here you can see that the primary key, right? So this one is linked to where the user, right? So here you can see the relationship maintained profile ID. Okay, so whenever I try to get the information of the user with the profile, I get all the information. I will show you via REST API like how you can get all this, right? So this is how you can see we have successfully achieved one-to-one relationship using the TypeORM, TypeScript, and the Node.js. Okay, so I think the code I already shown you. I guess yes. Okay, so connection console, right? Everything is there. Okay, so this is how you can see the information and linking to the profile and the user. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.